There's a lot of talk about corporate culture. Peter Drucker said decades ago, actually, culture eats strategy for breakfast. What did he mean by that? At most companies, Monday mornings are met with dread. I was personally vested to find an answer. Can we find a way to look forward to the inevitable Monday morning? What can transform it into an energizing start of the week? At Kalari, we created a concept called Zero Hour, which we have now practiced for many years. It's a weekly 9 a.m. Monday morning ritual every week without fail. We meet collectively sharp at 9 for about an hour. Team members voluntarily sign up to make a 10 to 20 minute presentation. It could be about a life experience, something they might have read or researched, perhaps about their work that they want to share, an insight that occurs to them. Any original expression is welcome. We believe we have something to each contribute and learn from. We have had fun quizzes, presentation on what budget means, on many aspects of AI, how it will impact our future. A variety of topics constitute the start of our activity on Monday. It captures the interest and personality of our individual team members, and hence collectively we are energized Monday mornings with this new knowledge we add to our mental library, and that's the start of our day on a Monday, which is then flows into the rest of the week. Culture can't be something that is written in a HR manual. It's built in the moments of sacred connection to people, of shared learning that is a baseline of collective growth. Great cultures share these things: clarity about what matters, courage to live those values, and always empowering the individual and being consistent in these small details. The celebrating of the moments and the shared milestones is what binds cultures to last. Your legacy, if it can be the culture you leave behind, is an amazing thing. But it can only happen if it is intentional, if it is authentic, if it matters to you personally. While strategies will shift and evolve with markets, culture is what endures through time to build great institutions.